Welcome back. So this is a day late, but still it's going on for the weekend. So you have Saturday, Sunday, and still tonight if you see this in time. This weekend, Harbor Freight save 30% off, 3 days only. Again, the 7th through the 9th. It's all items. $20 and under if you're part of ITC, and $10 and under if you're not an ITC member. So let's just zoom in here and we'll get a look at the fine print for the $20. So it says limit 1 usage per customer per day, limit 5 in store. No coupon required, discount applied at the register, valid in store and on in-stock items only for existing and new ITC club members. 5 item limit, 30% discount cannot be used with any of the following: ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items or gift cards, not valid on prior purchases, non-transferable. Other restrictions may apply, valid through the weekend. So this is similar to when we had probably about a month ago, and this wording's different. They're saying limit 5 in store, but that always seems like something that's pretty tricky to track. I mean, are they really only going to apply 30% to 5 of your items that are $20 and under? I can't imagine they would, but I guess it just depends on the luck of your store, how friendly they are. But I would say definitely try it. Worst thing, maybe you go to a different store if you're fortunate enough to have some nearby. But these were great. Last time everyone was sharing their hauls. I have already seen some posts about how people have gone up to the register with about 15, 20 items, and they're discounting 30% on all of them as long as they're under $20. So we'll look at the fine writing for the $10 and under, and this should be for everybody. So again, limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store, online, and on in-stock items only. Same 5 item limit in store and 1 item limit online. So you can actually use this coupon online, which is pretty awesome actually, although they will charge you shipping. 30% discount cannot be used with any of the following Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, or gift cards. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, or ITC member prices. Non-transferable, original coupon must be presented. Other restrictions may apply. And that's a big one actually. I think, I might be wrong, they're probably trained at Harbor Freight to not try each coupon for you. I've had it happen to me before where they've selected the wrong deal, but I only paid like a couple bucks extra, so I wasn't too upset. But you have to make sure you give them the coupon because they won't necessarily automatically apply it to your purchase unless you have a friendly cash register person, cashier, and then they might. So again, let me know what haul you're getting. That'd be great. Those are always fun. 30% off, $10 or less if you're ITC already, which hopefully you are because these deals happen throughout the year. Parking lot sales coming up Wednesday, flash sales coming up in a few days. Let's just look at some of these other coupons that are here. Daytona $179.99, $60 off, seems solid. $529 for the purple 34-inch by 23-inch 6 short full bank service cart. Centec $39.99, 27% off. The Badland winch $279.99, $40 off. Super coupon for a heavy duty, extreme duty weather resistant tarp $34.99. The Bauer Impact $59, almost $60. Cushion grip screwdriver set. Merlin, nice air compressor accessories, and then the Sawhorse. But yeah, good luck shopping out there. Let me know what you get. I'm gonna try to dig in to see what the best items are to get for 30% off, and hopefully you can get more than 5 items. Happy shopping, save some money, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.